Guys, today I wanted to share some information in regards to a brand new repair program for a no service issue that Apple has announced over the weekend. Now, this is a free service that Apple is providing for iPhone 7 owners. And Apple is offering a fix for a no service issue that's been recognized by Apple due to a component failure on the main logic board. Now, they want to go ahead and let their customers know that iPhones built anywhere between September of 2016 and February 2018 sold in China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, United States, that includes US Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico as well. iPhone model numbers as follow. Now, if you don't know how to find the model number on your iPhone 7 and you've been affected by this, you can find it on the back of your device right here. Let me see if I can get a closer look. See right there, model number. If that model number matches the model number that Apple has listed on their website, then you'll be entitled to a free replacement of the part that's causing this issue. Now, I'll have a link down below for this web post by Apple so you can go ahead and check out if your device is affected by this no service issue. And this is a good move by Apple that they're recognizing this device has this issue. Now, if there isn't an Apple store where you live, Apple also gives you the ability to find an authorized service repair center by clicking here depending on your location. And of course, you can go to the Apple store and get this fixed as long as it falls with this criteria here, the model number matches, and your device is experiencing this type of behavior. So it is a thing. If you had this issue, I wanted to share this information. It is a free program, so take advantage of it if you can, and make sure that you don't have a cracked screen or a jailbroken device. So make sure if you do have a jailbreak, remove a jailbreak from the iPhone, or if you have a cracked screen, you have to fix it before the service, but Apple will fix the device for you. And if the device is unfixable, they'll actually replace it for you as well. So check out the links in the description. I think this is a good move, and I thought it was information rather important to share with you guys. I hope you guys found it helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.